Hello kids, so today in this video we are going to learn alphabets in small letters. Okay, so without much ado, let's get started. So first I'll take blue color. This is blue color, light blue color, and write the letter A. This is small letter A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Next I'll take green color. This is light green color, and write letter B. Small letter B. B for ball. B for ball. Red color. And this is letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Yellow color. D. Small letter D. D for duck. D for duck. Dark blue color. Small letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next I'll take orange color and write F. Small letter F. F for fish. F for fish. Gray color. G. Small letter G. G for gate. G for gate. Purple color. H. This is small letter H. H for house. H for house. Dark green color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Brown color. J. J for jug. J for jug. Black color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Pink color. L. L for lion. L for lion. Blue color. So after L, it's M. Small letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Dark green color. After M, it's N. N for nose. N for nose. Orange color. So after N, it's O. O for orange. O for orange. Yellow color. P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Dark blue color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Orange color. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Gray color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Light green color. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Red color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Purple color. V. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Dark green color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Brown color. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Black color. Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. And finally, pink color. After Y, it's Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So hence, we have completed our alphabets in small letters. I hope you like this video kids, and if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.